the reality is that nobody enjoys losing. Whether it's in a relationship, whether it's in business, whether it's in sports, more so in trading where money is involved. Nobody enjoys losing. Yet, when we're talking about life, when we're talking about trading, when we're talking about business, it's part of the game. You have to lose in some instances and you have to win in some instances. So trading is, if you actually look at it, is not any more different from life. So I don't know where people get the idea that they will always be winning in trading. So that's why people find it hard to accept losing streaks, to deal with a patch when they are losing, because they thought they were going to just win in trading. No. Even if you have the best strategy, the best mentors, the best broker, the best everything, you are not going to be winning in the markets 100%. So in this video, because I know many people struggle with this, in this video we're going to just talk about how to deal with losing streaks. Trust me, every trader goes through a losing streak. Even big banks, they lose money in the markets. So what about you with your $100 account, with your $1,000 account, when the big guys are also losing millions? Trading is a zero-sum game. If a hedge fund somewhere is making billions, those billions have to come from somewhere. So losing is part of the game. So in this video, I'm going to just give you some tips how to deal with it if you find yourself in a losing streak. How to deal with it, because many people struggle with that. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. See the link in the description box below. Many people ask me about the broker that I use, one of the best brokers in the world. I've been with them for more than 5 years now, and one of their best offers is that with just $5, yes, just $5, you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test your strategies, your robots, your indicators in real life market conditions. And they have not given me any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals over the past 5 years. That's why I recommend them. Sign up with the link in the description box below. Also visit the links in the description box below if you are looking to download free forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that. So getting back to our video, how to deal with losing streaks. So the first point that I want to share is always think long term. Think long term. One way of dealing with losing streaks is to think long term. Yes, so today you lost a trade. Don't let that get to you, because you still have many more opportunities for the next 5 years, 10 years. So don't be bothered about you took a loss today, maybe you took a loss, you took losses this week. Losses like that will only bother you if you're just in this thing, maybe if just for the next 2 months, so that you can make a quick buck and get out. No, but if you are in this game for the long term, then these kind of losses should not bother you. Number 2, realize opportunities are endless. I think it ties in with the first point that I just gave you. Realize that if you are in this thing for long term, the opportunities are endless. Yes, you took a loss today, but there are still a million more opportunities in the market. You can, if you have the right mentality, the right strategy, the right tools, the loss that you made today, you can cover the loss maybe next week, maybe next month. There are boundless opportunities in this market. So don't let that loss get to you. Yes, you can still take that loss, go back and see what went wrong and study why you took the loss. But understand that there are still many more opportunities coming your way. Number 3, recognize that it's probably time to scale back. What do I mean about this? What I've seen why people cannot deal with losses or losing streaks is they end up digging a bigger hole than they were in. So let's say for example in this scenario, I'm just going to give an example of a scenario. Let's say probably you thought here it was going to buy. Then you entered your buy there, your nice little buy there, and you probably even forgot to put a stop loss there, and lo and behold, it turned against you. Do you know what people usually do in this scenario? They end up start buying again, because they cannot bear this loss that they are taking here. Instead of getting out early of that scenario, they are actually starting to dig a much bigger hole than they were in. So, how to deal with losing streaks? Scale back. If you recognize that you are in a losing streak, scale back. If it's possible, switch off your charts, go and do something else until you clear your mind. Then you can come back to the markets with a fresh approach, with a fresh mind. I do that sometimes. Sometimes I hit a loss. I'm like, how did I do this? Let me just go and do something else. I even go away even for 2 days, 3 days. I'm not in the markets. Number 4, one way of also dealing with losses in trading is to look at them as the expenses of trading. What do I mean? You might be able to bear a loss in trading if you realize that maybe, let me approach it as the fees that I pay to the market in order to make money or to play in this game. Like I said, trading is a zero-sum game. You cannot continue just milking the market until forever and ever and ever and ever. You need to give something back to the market. In every industry, it's like that. You need to give something back to the industry in order to continue making money or playing in that industry. So approach your losses as the fee, the small fee that I'm assuming that your losses, you are trying to keep them minimal. That is a small fee that you pay to make money, to make the millions or the thousands of dollars or whatever, how much money you are making in trading. So your losses are the small fee that you pay to play in this game. Then your losses are not as painful if you realize that it's just a small fee that you pay to what? To make the millions or the thousands of dollars that you are making in this market, this industry. Then lastly, one way of dealing with losing streaks is before they hit you, understand or accept that every trade that you're going to make, there's a chance that it's going to be a win or a loss. Blessed is the person who at least understands that they are taking risk by entering buy or sell. You understand and you accept that you are risking something when you press buy or you press sell. Already when you understand that you are risking, your losses are not as painful because you understood that, well, yeah, you could probably make money, but you could also probably lose it. Trouble is for people who have 100% confidence in their entries, in their trades, that they are going to make money. Then if they turn against them, then they are surprised and they probably are not able to bear the loss. So understand that by pressing buy or sell, you are taking risk. It can go either way. Even if you've done your analysis, if you have the best tools in the world, the best broker, the best mentor, the best signals, the best of everything, still understand that by pressing sell or buy, you're taking risk and you might actually lose. If I left anything out, how do you deal with losing streaks? Leave your thoughts, your comments in the comment section below. Let's help each other. How do you deal with losing streaks? Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.